Hello friends, welcome to my channel Om's Beautiful World. Today in this video, I will tell a story of the hare with many friends. Once upon a time in a jungle, there was a hare who was very friendly. She liked all the animals in the jungle and they all said that they were her friends. One day, the hare saw some hounds coming towards the jungle. She was quite scared, but she thought she could be safe with the help of her many friends. First, the hare ran to the horse and asked him to carry her away from the hounds on his back. To her surprise, the horse said, "I cannot help you. I have some important work to do for my master. I am sure all your other friends would come to your help." The hare then went to the bull and asked him to scare away the hounds with his horns. But the bull said, "I am very sorry. I have to meet another friend. I am sure that your friend, the goat, will do what you want." The goat, however, shook his head and said, "I can help you, but you might get hurt if you sit on my back. The ram, I am sure, is the proper friend to go to." So the hare went to the ram, but the ram too refused, saying, "I do not think I can help you this time, as hounds eat sheep as well as hares." The hare then went as a last hope to the cave. The calf looked scared and said, "I am sorry. When so many older animals cannot be of help to you, how can a young animal like me do anything?" By this time, the hounds were quite near. So the hare ran away as fast as she could. Luckily, she escaped, but she learnt a lesson that day. Moral of the story is, in times of danger, we should depend upon ourselves and not on our friends. My story is over. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.